Stop scrolling if you like fitness. This is a 12 by 24 home gym shed, and this one comes with a 3-foot porch out the front. So these doors, the nice thing about these is you can open them up to where in the summertime, springtime, when the air is fresh outside, you can come in here and just open these doors. That way you can work out while it's nice and spring outside. This is a 12 by 24 area right here. It has a 5-foot by 5-foot sauna. So with our saunas, we use a high quality cedar wood. And with the heater in here, it causes the heat to spread evenly throughout the room. It will be nice and hot for you. And up top there, you'll see it's a mini split heat and AC unit with electrical package. It comes standard with these lights, and then it has outlets throughout the gym as well. But you can add outlets for your TV, your sound system, but these can all be placed wherever you would like. So it has a 4-foot by 8-foot mirror that comes included in the gym shed package. So this is the LP Smart Finish on the interior, painted white. On the exterior, we got the nice modern straight lights here, and then we have a couple of the bulb lights up in the deck ceiling area. And the same way there, we can add or subtract more or less lights if you would like. On the exterior, on the 3-foot porch, we have a Trex decking, which is maintenance free. So if you love fitness like I do, come check us out at Stoltzfus Structures. We can help you with any details and get you an itemized proposal to deliver it to your location. All you need to do is to go online at mysheds.com, or feel free to give us a call and one of our sales teams will be able to help you out.